It's not a secret that I love coffee. The way that I prefer to drink it though is just a good old black coffee out of fresh bean brewed from a pour-over coffee maker. But if we're stuck at home for an indefinite time, how would anyone get such style? As I was out of bean the other day, I cried thinking that my only option was to drink again from a coffee machine. But luckily, I found this company, Tray Coffee, a coffee subscription website where they send you beans from the best coffee roasters in the States. They even matchmake you with a coffee bean that you will truly love. It's just like Tinder, but this one lasts longer. Anyway, I was sold to try them out. It's so sad when there's no more coffee to drink, right? So we're gonna solve that problem and we're gonna go to the website of this company that I just mentioned. I'm gonna show you the whole matchmaking process, which is pretty cool. So this is the homepage of the Tray Coffee Company, right? But before we start, I'm just gonna tell you why I'm starting to like this company. If you go to the about page, they say they're like a truly coffee lovers. They have like this mission, like Tray believes that every cup you make should be the best ever. And they seem to know the whole coffee process because there's more than meets the eye when you get your bag of bean. And what I like about them too is they have this list of roasters all around the states. And I go to coffee shops because they usually know where does the bean come from, like how fresh they are or if it's an organic process. Okay, we go back to the main page and this is the bottom where it says Get Starter or the Get Match, which is kind of like the same thing. So we click on it and they're gonna ask you first, like, what is your experience? I'm usually around pretty advanced and the totally coffee nerd, just don't want to show off. So let's go right now to pretty advanced, right? And then they ask you, how do you make your coffee, right? So as I said before, I don't like the machine coffee anymore. When I'm at home, which I'm gonna stay here for a while, I use the Chemex, and when I travel, I use the AeroPress. So let's go for the Chemex this time. And then they ask you, like, if you want to add something on your coffee. I prefer black all the time. And like when you drink this style, like, you get the sweet out of the bitter. Like, just remember that. So I would prefer always to get the coffee black. So just click on it. And then they ask you which kind of roast you like. Last time that I went to a coffee farm, they showed me the whole roasting process, and I learned that the medium roast will have a balanced flavor. Therefore, I always go for that. So click on that one. And this is the cool question, like, what kind of coffee do you want to try? You know, like traditional, like nothing too crazy, or something unconventional. So, and also they can choose for you, which is pretty cool. So I usually go for the surprise or unconventional. And the last question is like, what kind of bean do you want? So I usually go for the whole bean because I have my own grinder at home, and I'll just make a coffee each day. And then I will get the answers that I was looking for, my first coffee to try with them. So let's see what they have. All right, it seems to choose for me the Peru Cajamarca Fair Trade Organic from the company Equator. And yeah, so it seems pretty cool. So I'll just go and put all my payment details, shipping details, so I can get my first order. Alright, so today I just got an email from Trade and they're just telling me that the coffee company Ecuador is roasting the coffee, right? And yeah, they will let us know when they're making the coffee, and should be around 2 days more when they're gonna update with the tracking number and the shipping details. So yeah, my coffee is almost getting here, so I'm dying to get the coffee. This part of my life, this part right here, this is called happiness, because I just got my coffee. This is the box from Trade, and let's see what's on it. Let's just first open it. Hello, coffee maker. I love that. Here you go. Look at this beautiful coffee. I mean, the design of the pack is really nice, but what matters is the coffee bean. So this one, the Peru Cajamarca, is supposed to have like tones of cantaloupe, vanilla, and butter. It's organic and it's also fair trade. Yeah, like, oh, it smells good. I mean, I cannot transmit that to you here, but it smells really good. So let's go to the kitchen and make some coffee. All right, here we're in the kitchen. I have the coffee here. I don't want to go into details of how to make it. There's like better videos about it. Like maybe I can make a video about the whole thing if you want to know. But I can refer right now one of the ones that I like is Stumptown Coffees. They make a really detailed process of how to make this coffee. But at least for now, I can tell you that I like 42 grams of the bean, and I have the grinder there. So I'm just gonna grind it. And now that it's grinded, like, this is what I need. It's gonna be the freshest as possible. Therefore, it's gonna have the best taste. And just gonna, yeah, do the whole process, which I always love to do every morning. This is the fun part of making coffee. So it's gonna just go, maybe do a B-roll about it and start to get the coffee. Man. Yeah, it has this vanilla taste. And there you have it. I'm happy that I finally have some coffee and wait, wait. Ah, the great thing is that you can always try different style of coffee beans and also change the frequency if you want it to be delivered in 1 week, 2 weeks, or even like in a specific day. And like yeah, like you can have great coffee in the morning without leaving home because we can't. And if you haven't tried this style of coffee, I totally recommend to start doing that. If you want to know all the gear that I use to that, like just check the link down below. I'll put everything that I use, also the link from Stumptown Coffee to how to make the pour over coffee. And lastly, I got so excited that I got another bag of Tray coffee. Well, this is not a sponsored video. I really like their coffee, and this is the only option that we have right now to have great ones. So if you wanna have like great coffee right now, like just check the link down below. Like if you click on that, you're gonna get a discount if you buy your first bag with them. So yeah, like I seriously recommend to get this kind of coffee because there's nothing better to have great coffee in the morning. And I mean, I can explain you the healthy benefits and all that, but maybe for another video. I'm just happy that I don't have to look for coffee right now. I'm just gonna get delivered every week. Yeah, so subscribe if you want to know more about digital nomads and coffee. See you next one. Ciao.